Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. So we are setting out on a seriously fascinating journey right now. We're going to do a really rigorous deep dive into what might actually be the most profoundly distilled piece of source material we have ever examined. We are literally stripping away all the noise to focus entirely on the absolute essence of corporate communication. So buckle up and prepare yourself for a masterclass in extreme minimalism.
Agency Zoom training videos. Just let that sink in for a second, right? Because this is the stark, completely unvarnished reality of our subject today. There is zero preamble, there's absolutely no fluff. The source material just hooks us immediately with this incredibly raw, isolated phrase. It's a statement that stands entirely on its own, demanding our full attention.
Section 1. The Agency Zoom Phenomenon.
Okay, so we really need to treat the existence of these training materials not just as some mundane file on a server somewhere, but as a monumental corporate artifact. It represents a very specific era, a specific mode of operation. And what is truly fascinating here is that single, incredibly powerful word, excerpts. The source material explicitly frames itself as excerpts from something larger, which carries a massive philosophical implication. It tells us that this tiny, isolated fragment we possess belongs to a vast, unseen whole. It's like a giant puzzle, and we're looking at just the tip of an informational iceberg, a microscopic window into a much broader curriculum.
Section 2. Analyzing the excerpts. A literal breakdown.
I definitely invite you to lean in closely here, because we are going to analyze every single syllable of this curated document. When you have material that's this condensed, every single letter carries weight. And this perfectly illustrates the architectural genius of the source document. You have the introductory title framing the document and then the actual content provided right next to it. They are perfectly, symmetrically identical. The introduction to the material is literally the exact same phrase as the material itself. It's this mirrored brilliance that forces the reader into an immediate feedback loop of information.
This setup creates the straight, horizontal line of just pure repetition. The header flows right into the content, and the subject matter is merely a repetition of itself. It's honestly almost meditative in its structure. There is no divergence, no random tangents, just a laser-focused echoing of the core concept.
Exactly 2. That is the number of times the exact phrase Agency Zoom training videos pops up in our incredibly brief source document. Once in the setup, once in the execution. So, the really crucial point to take away here is that by stating it exactly twice, the document leaves absolutely zero room for misinterpretation. 2 data points make a line, and this line points straight to the absolute core of the subject.
Let's define exactly what we're dealing with here. The term, Agency Zoom training videos. The definition, the solitary repeated excerpt provided from the source material. It is just a monolithic concept. It brilliantly defies any further explanation by straight up refusing to offer any. It just is.
All right, let's shatter that monolith for a second and isolate each word as its own solitary concept. Just think about them. Agency, Zoom, training, videos. When you separate them out like this, the tension really builds. Each isolated word stands entirely alone, acting as a pillar holding up this incredibly sparse structural canopy of meaning. If we map out the user journey of this document, it is astonishingly fast. Step 1, you encounter the title. Step 2, you read the excerpt. And boom, you're completely done. I wanted to walk you through this 2-step sequential experience because it really highlights just how incredibly brief and, quite frankly, avant-garde this source document is. It completely challenges our very expectations of what a document should even be.
Section 3. The Unseen Videos. Training Void.
So we kind of have to lean into the brilliant void of this unprovided content, right? It's basically the ultimate form of corporate minimalism. You don't actually get the training, you just get the idea of the training. Think about the isolated concept of an agency. What kind of agency are we even talking about? Is it creative, government, insurance, real estate? It exists entirely within a void of context. It represents structure, organization, and action, sure, but without any further details, it becomes this universal, abstract concept floating entirely on its own.
Now, what is truly fascinating to me here is the styling, Zoom. It is specifically, deliberately written in lowercase in the source material. Why? Is it to convey informality, speed? Is it being used as a casual verb rather than the proper noun of the software platform we all know? This specific, lowercase styling is a fascinating little detail that completely changes the visual rhythm of the whole phrase.
And then, we arrive at training.
which forces us to question the very nature of what training actually is. Like, how do you undergo training when absolutely no instructions, no rules, no guidelines, and no objectives are actually provided in the text? The document promises preparation, yet it really only provides the label of preparation.
Finally, we reach videos. And I just have to acknowledge the absolute paradox we're sitting in right now. We are explaining the concept of unseen visual media, videos, using only these sparse, text-based, highly structured elements. The source material references a dynamic, moving, visual medium, yet it delivers that reference in literally the most static, text-heavy way possible. It's honestly a brilliant juxtaposition.
So, let's bring back that full quote one last time. Agency Zoom training videos. After our rigorous, totally syllable-by-syllable deconstruction, I really hope you can experience its brevity entirely anew. It is no longer just 4 random words. It is a perfectly symmetrical, meticulously formatted gateway into a vast corporate unknown. Which really just leaves us right here. What do these Agency Zoom training videos actually teach us? By providing literally nothing but their own title, do they teach us about the essence of self-reliance? Do they highlight the absurdity of corporate labeling? Or do they simply invite us to project our own meaning into the void? I'm going to leave you to ponder this ultimate mystery of the unsaid corporate onboarding content. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive explainer today, and remember to always keep questioning what you see and what you don't see.